Hey guys, welcome to Mac Farms. We're expecting a load of sawdust here today. As you guys know, we use sawdust for bedding in the dairy barn. So typically every 6 months when we get a load of sawdust, we'll get a tandem truckload and a pup trailer besides it, and that pretty well fills the barn. But this time we haven't been able to get that person to haul the sawdust for it, so we had to find somebody else, and this person has a 53-foot trailer of some kind. It ends up holding about twice as much as what we usually get, so we're going to have to find more room to put the sawdust, I guess. So you see we constructed this little plywood wall thing. We're going to pile the sawdust up against this and kind of slope it down in that area. We're going to keep it away from that winch because we need access to the winch to lift the windows up and down, but we'll try to fit as much as we can in here. This is right in front of the breeding age heifers, so that's our plan anyway. We usually pile some there, but not nearly that much. We'll have more to pack in between the stalls where we usually keep it. I'll try to show you guys. So you guys can see in between the stalls we have brisket boards on either side, and there's a gap and the posts are in the middle. We'll pile that up with sawdust on each side all the way down the whole length of the barn, and then on that far side along the wall, there's room there for sawdust too. So getting twice as much sawdust as we usually get, it's going to be a bit of a challenge trying to get it in the barn at all. Plus time wise, it usually takes us a full day to get it in already, so it's going to be probably the next 2 days trying to pack it in the barn. Right now it's about lunchtime, so it should be here soon, but we've already lost half a day trying to get it in. So it's going to be a tight squeeze. I put lights on the case this morning. We don't have lights on it already, so hopefully that'll allow us to get sawdust in later into the evening. Few people have asked me now if we've had snow yet, or if we have snow currently, and the answer is no. As you guys can tell, we have no snow on the ground right now. It's fairly cold today, it's about freezing, but for the most part we've had rain more than we've had snow. We've had a little dusting of snow there maybe once or twice, but we never had any amount of snow, I wouldn't say. So it's December the 6th, I believe, today. So usually we have a little bit more snow than this by this time of the year, but I'm alright with it. We can hold off for a little while longer. Into the new year we'll get more snow for sure. But yeah, no snow yet. See the case down there? I just put the lights on it. And Luna's following me. Everybody likes to see the cats. Hey Luna! Not interested. That's a fair bit of sawdust, I'd say. I should get it in the barn somehow. One down, 1 million to go.